Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 8 of 45 days DAX challenge. Today we will be discussing filter DAX function in Power BI. So if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Be with me till end of this video. Be with me till end of the 45 days DAX challenge. I make sure you will have clear understanding of all the DAX function which I am going to discuss for next 45 days. Fine. And I'll put playlist link into the description box. You can check it out. If you are a data aspirant looking for job switch, or you are in non-IT field and looking to change your career into data field, then I have created a separate Telegram group where I post daily job updates, interview questions and all the related stuffs that are going to help you. Okay, so please check the description and join the Telegram group. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI. So here we are on Power BI desktop. Okay, and before we deep dive into filter DAX function, first I'll explain you what is filter function in Power BI. So as name suggests, filter is nothing but it will give some separate output based on your requirement. Okay, so if I tell you with proper example, see, I have taken one sales table and total 6 columns are here, as you could see. And let's say one of the stakeholders tells that we want only a separate tables for region equal to west. That is nothing but we have to create a separate table where region is the data of only region, where region equal to west will be there. And similarly for other as well, let's say for south, for north and for other requirement, such as let's say category equal to furniture or technology or office supplies respectively. Fine. Okay, so without any further delay, let's create one new table where region will be south. So what I'll do is I'll click on new table and let's say table name I'll say region south. Okay, and if you are creating a new table, you have to use calculate table function. First it is asking for table, so which table I'm using sales table. Okay, and now filter will ask for two arguments. First is table, second is filter expression. So table is sales table and filter expression is the region equal to south. So what I'll do is region equal to, let's say, south. If I press enter, see, we have one separate table. The table name is region south and the data only coming for where region equal to south, as you could see here. Fine, as you could see here. The column will be same as whatever column is in the sales table. We have total six column here in sales table, so we will have 6 column in region south table as well. But the only difference is here region, a specific region will be there, whatever the region you will specify. Here in this case I am taking region equal to south, so we have data of south only. Okay, so let's say I want region equal to south as well as category equal to furniture. So what we have to do in that case, we have to use and category equal to, let's say, furniture. Okay, furniture. So we will have table where region is equal to south and categories is furniture. See, okay, so and is nothing but both condition will true. And if I use here, let's say, or, then we will have or means if any of the out of these two condition is true, then that means we will have one separate table. Fine, I hope you got it. Now I'll go to report view And let's say I want to calculate the total sales for south region. In this case we have 37,489. So I want to write a DAX expression. Okay, I want to write DAX. I will create one new measure where we will have total sales equal to this respective sales. Okay, for category equal to furniture, or let's say if we are writing for all the categories, then we will have south equal to 95,070 rupees. So how we can achieve this? Let's see. I'll create on new measure. I'll say region M for let's say measure equal to south. In this case I'll use calculate. First is asking for expression. Expression is nothing but which type of arithmetic operation you want to perform. So here I want total total amount. So I'll use sum of total amount, not for south region, sum of amount for sales from sales table. Okay, see, second it is asking for filter. So I'll use filter. Again filter will ask for two arguments only. So in this case sales table and region equal to south. So we got one new measure. What I'll do is I'll click on new card and we'll drag this here. 95k is coming. So what I'll do is I'll just change this display unit to none. See, we got the exact amount here, south equal to 95,070, and here in this case also. Again, whatever I explained you, like if you want one more condition you want to write, then you have to use and category equal to furniture. See, in this case 37,489 coming, which is nothing but this one, right? See, region equal to south and furniture category equal to furniture. In this case 37,489 is coming. Okay, so you can use anything, any specific condition based on your requirement. Let's say here you want to create one new table where amount is greater than 5,000. So just you have to give amount greater than 5,000. Okay, I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, don't please comment your doubt into the comment section. I'll look each and every comment commented by you. Till then, take care. We will meet soon.